in the German parliament, Bundestag, equipped him with invaluable insights into education, research, and hydrogen energy policies. Welcome, Dr.
Thank you everyone for being here, and thank you Rosie, of course, for giving me this opportunity to show my culture, which is India, and our traditional dress. Like she organizes every year, this university has given a lot to all the students here. So I would like to start, as I stand before you today, I'm deeply honored to share my remarkable journey at the Institute for Cultural Diplomacy, a journey that has been shaped by the diverse tapestry of my own multicultural background, born in the vibrant streets of New Delhi, India, and raised in amidst the artistic allure of Paris, France. This unique blend of Indian heritage and French upbringing has not only enriched my personal identity, but has also instilled within me a profound appreciation for the intricate nuances of global cultures. From the bustling bazaars of New Delhi to the enchanting boulevards of Paris, I have been fortunate to experience the vibrancy and diversity of two distinct yet interconnected worlds. My Indian roots have imbued me with a deep reverence for the ancient traditions and spiritual wisdom that permeate every aspect of life, from the colorful festivals that celebrate the rich tapestry of our culture heritage to the timeless values of hospitality, resilience that have been passed down through our generations. Growing up in Paris, I learned to appreciate the beauty of culture, exchange, fashion of course, as people from every corner of the globe came together to share their stories, traditions and dreams. My education of Odyssey began with a master's degree in international relations and cultural diplomacy in Institute for Cultural Diplomacy in Berlin, Germany. This foundation paved the way for my doctoral research from University of Bucharest, Romania, exploring the intersection of political science and environmental policy and sustainability. As we stand at the threshold of new era, let us carry forward the lessons learned, the importance of dialogue over discord, the value of diversity in enriching our collective tapestry, and the imperative of our cultural diplomacy in shaping a more inclusive future for all. Just to add, the journey wasn't easy for me as any other student, especially those who come from abroad to Europe. While I was studying my PhD, I lost my parents in pandemic, both of them. And I have had faced a lot of problems, including racism, discrimination, and many other challenges. However, thanks to my parents, those who motivated me to do this PhD, and I'm sure they are proud of me. And my favorite director, of course, Rosie, Mark here, and my professor, Dr. Raju Ka, who is the director of Bucharest, University of Bucharest, Romania, and he's been an angel and a god for me. He guided me throughout these 3 years of tenure, even in the difficulties of COVID, and my fellow friends, they are right here. My sister, she's here on behalf of my parents. Thank you very much. And so they have always stood by me and motivated me a lot. Therefore, I've fought harder and harder and never looked back. But thank you all. The journey wouldn't be completed without you all. To my fellow students, esteemed faculty, and dedicated staff, thank you for being partners in this remarkable journey. Together, let us to be ambassadors of understanding, champions of empathy, and architects of positive change in our interconnected world. Thank you very much.